These are the top 10 costly Facebook ad mistakes you should avoid making in your business. You see, right now you are complaining that your Facebook ad is not working, your Instagram ad is not working, but you may be the one that is causing it because you are making either of these 10 mistakes. Number one, do not touch your winning advert. Getting a winning advert is hard. So when you finally get an advert that is working, you don't need to keep tweaking, keep editing, keep retouching it. You finally end sending that advert back to learning phase, and that will always affect your performance. Number two, don't let your budget to finish. If you are the one that is funding your advert, make sure that you are always funding it on time. Not when you fund today, you allow the money to finish, you fund again tomorrow, you allow the money to finish. Every time that your money finishes, your advert goes back to restart again. So the best thing is to make sure that you are always funding above daily budget so that your advert do not finish all the time. Number three, don't rely on just one creative. I see a lot of advertisers making this mistake, and most times it's because they are lazy. As I'm shooting this video now, I've done more than 5 videos today. Anytime that you want to shoot a video for your advert, don't just do one. You can do 10, you can even do 15. In fact, I know one advertiser that every time he sits down to shoot a video, he does 35 videos and above. And that is how you want to approach it. So that when you put all these videos on your ad, nothing will make either one or two to start working. When you are relying only on one image, you are designing one flyer, you are shooting one video, and you are placing all your hope on those videos, it might not work. So you need to actually give Facebook a lot more things to test. Shoot a lot of videos, do a lot of graphics, use a lot of native images so that you actually increase the potential that your advert will work. Number four, don't start with high budget. If you don't have a lot of money, there is no reason for you to start with high budget because you don't know what is going to work for you. Start with low budget, test, look at your matrix, make sure that you have gotten what is working before you can now start scaling it. And if you don't know how to scale it, just check the description. There's a video that you see that will teach you exactly how you can scale your Facebook ad the right way without tweaking your ad, without editing the one that is working already. This is one of the best way you can do it. So check the video description and watch that video. Number five, don't use stolen content. If you are actually downloading video online, make sure that it is copyright free. If you are downloading video clips, make sure that it's copyright free. You don't have to steal somebody's digital property and use it for your own advert. If you do that, Facebook is going to flag your account, restrict your page, and all of those processes. So always make sure that you are using original content to run your advert. Don't make that mistake. Number six, do not exaggerate with your claim. If you are making a lot of claim on Facebook, Facebook might not like it, and this leads them to block your account, restrict you. As a matter of fact, most times that people lose their ad account is probably because they are making a lot of claim. Lose 17 pounds in 13 weeks, make 5 million naira in 7 days, and all of those claims. You don't have to do that. There is a better way to write your ad copy without making claim, and you can still make it compelling. So if you want to learn more tips on Facebook and lead generation, make sure you are subscribed to this channel because I drop videos every single time that will teach you how to do this. Do not use a faceless page to run ad. I see most e-commerce, most coaches, they just quickly create a Facebook page. They cannot even exercise patience to upload a profile picture on that page. They will just use that page to run ad. People see those pages, it has no profile picture. When they go on the page, there is no post on the page. Nothing to build trust at all. You are just running the ad like a ghost. Most people will not trust you, especially people that have the habit of checking your Facebook page before they click on your advert. So what should you do? Every time you create a page, do a necessary setting, upload the profile, the cover photo, make some post on the page for crying out loud. So that when people come on the page, they will actually see something that will build trust. Post some testimonials, give some value, so that you can actually build a brand instead of just running advert to make quick sales. Number 8, you don't have to be publishing new adverts every single day. If you are always on your ad manager, refreshing, publishing ad, Facebook sometimes see this as a spam and they might block your account. So when you set up your advert, sometimes you give your advert time to run. before you go in and publish a new one. And that is why I even recommend, as a business owner, you must not use only one ad account. I use like 3 ad accounts for my business. So when I'm not working on this one, I'll probably working on this one, or I'll probably working on another one. But I don't have to be inside one ad manager every day, publishing adverts, posting adverts, tweaking things. No, you have to give it time for it to run. Number 9, don't ignore your Facebook ad metrics. This is a kind of advanced secret. Most beginner advertisers, they don't even know what is metrics. If you ask them what are the top 5 metrics you should pay attention to, they don't know. If you ask them how do you know if your advert is working, they don't know. All they know is that if it's not bringing lead, if it's not bringing sales, the advert is not working. But that's not true. Sometimes you look at the metrics and then you see, okay, this is what I needed to change. Oh, maybe I needed to add more scarcity. Oh, maybe people are not resonating with this offer. Okay, people are actually clicking on the ad, but something is happening on the landing page. But when you don't look at your metrics, you will not know this. And I don't blame beginners. I only have one advice for you. Make sure that you learn deeper. Because when I started, I didn't know what is metrics. But I kept on watching videos, something like YouTube video like this. There was a channel that I focused on Facebook ad. I was watching video every single day. So instead of wasting your time watching skits, you can actually dedicate some time every day to learn more on YouTube. Like this channel, if you subscribe to this channel and if you follow me, I am always uploading video on Facebook ad. I'm always uploading video on marketing, on lead generation, on how you can grow your business. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Number 10, don't keep funding a dead ad. What I mean by dead ad is advert that is not working. You know, I see some advertisers, oh, let me keep trying, let me keep hoping, maybe it will pick up. And that is how you keep funding an advert that is not working. Do you know what you should do? Post that advert, use that remaining money and go and test something else. I promise you it is a better alternative than to keep pumping money into an advert that is not working already. Make sure that you test more things, and that is why I said you need to have more videos, you need to have more visuals, you need to have more images. If you test 5 and it's not working, what if it is the 6th one you're going to test that will pick up? But if you don't test it, then you might not know if it will work or not. So don't keep funding dead adverts. Pause it, use that remaining money and test something else. If it does not work, pause it, use that, keep on doing it until you get something that is working. And I promise you, sometimes you might spend 150,000 to test, but once you get what is working, you will end up making more than 500,000. So let's compare it. Between wasting 150,000 and making 500, which one is a better alternative? Of course, making 500. But if you have not wasted the 150, you might not be able to make 500. And that is how it works. So keep testing until you get what is working for you. If it's a question of whether advert is working or not, it is already working. A lot of businesses are using it to scale their business, make millions in revenue. So it is working. The problem is that you have not understand the knowledge, and that is what this channel is doing for you. Ensure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.